Hello there, I'm Louise Marshall, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. I'm excited to show you how to add and customize shifts on your roster. Let's get started. How to select your desired date and location. Click the date you need on your roster. This pinpoints where your new shift will appear. Choose your location in daily, weekly, or monthly view. This ensures you're set up in the correct spot. Pick the row that represents a staff member, position, or site. This helps match the shift to the right place. How to configure your shift details. Click the Add Shift icon on the chosen date and row. This opens the shift modal for editing. Set your site and position from the drop-downs. This lets you organize work by location and role. Enter start and finish times in 24-hour format. This keeps scheduling clear and consistent. Select staff from the drop-down to assign them directly. This streamlines your roster creation. How to customize additional shift options. Tick mark as Open Shift if you want to invite all eligible staff. This frees you from assigning a specific person. Toggle Custom Unpaid Break to specify exact break times. This helps you manage break lengths and labels. Choose Repeat this shift if the same shift happens again. This saves you from recreating recurring shifts. Add notes to share details like location tips or event reminders. This keeps everyone on the same page. How to save or publish your shifts. Click Save as Draft if you're still finalizing details. This keeps your changes safe without notifying staff. Choose Publish Shift when you're ready to alert your team. This confirms the shift is set and visible. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, our friendly support team is always here to help. Happy rostering!